In this video, we will take a look at the addition and subtraction of expression with surds. Let's start with this example. One way is to relate this back to algebra, where we add like terms. In this case, 3x plus 4x. Here, we are treating the square root of 2 to be like x, and we add them to get 7 times square root of 2, just like we add 3x and 4x to get 7x. How about the subtraction of expression with surds? Like the earlier example, we simply subtract 2 from 6 to get 4 times square root of 3. Now, looking at these two examples again, did you notice that we can simplify the expression by adding and subtracting when the surds are the same? Next, let's apply what we know to simplify a similar expression, like this. Did you notice that they have the same surd? So we can simplify this to get this. Next, let's take a look at this expression to see if we can do the same. Did you notice that the surds are not the same? To find out if we can simplify expressions involving surds, it is actually easier to express them in their simplest form. Let's start with this. You have learned that we can express it as 6 times square root of 2, and it will give us this. How about this? Similarly, we can express it as 8 times square root of 2. Now, we can write the expression like this. Now, can you see when they are in their simplest form, it's easy for us to know if we can simplify by looking out for the same surd. Thus, we will simplify the expression to get this. Now, can we simplify any expressions with surds? Let's find out with this expression. Can you recall what you need to look out for? Yes, you need to know if they have the same surd. Well, obviously not. What's next? As mentioned earlier, expressing them in their simplest form will help us. Thus, let's express this in its simplest form, like this. Hence, we will have this. Now, what did you observe? Yes, the surds are not the same. This means that they cannot be simplified further. In summary, when dealing with this, first, we should express the surds in their simplest form, if necessary. Next, we need to observe the surds in the expression. If the surds are the same, we can simplify by addition or subtraction. If they are different, we cannot simplify the expression further. Finally, let's look at this expression and see if you can apply what you have learned. Here, note that we can express each of these surds in its simplest form. Starting with this, we can express it in its simplest form. And we will get this. How about this? Yes, we can express it in its simplest form to get this. Similarly, we can express this in its simplest form, and the expression will be like this. What's next? Yes, let's check if the surds are the same now. As you can see, they are the same. Finally, we can simplify the expression to get 7 times square root of 6.